Hello, New Richmond Rubies volunteers. Thank you so much for your willingness to come and help. This is a video to explain our August distribution. We have a new sign-up sheet, which each month will be on Sign Up Genius, which is located on our Rubies Pantry New Richmond Volunteer Info Facebook page. Here, there will be jobs listed and you can pick one to do for that day. Also on this page, we will post the new sign-up sheets every month, videos like this, and anything else that pertains to our volunteers. For August distribution, we are set up at the New Richmond High School parking lot. The forklift driver will unload the food from the semi in a line where the frozen food is at the beginning and it is heavier. So we suggest volunteers who can handle heavier items work there. The food counters will organize how many items of each food will be distributed per bundle. For example, if we are planning on 300 guests, then there would be 300 packages of chicken to hand out, one to each guest. But for small milk cartons, sometimes it comes out to 11 cartons per guest. It all depends on how much we get and how many guests we plan to give bundles to. It's pretty much a moving target to get most of the food to the people who come that day. The food counters will group the food into 3 sections. Each group will have a table leader. This person will be the organizer of that section. They will see what needs to happen and make it happen. If they need more people, then they will ask. If they need more boxes, they can look in the other areas to find some that will help them move the line quicker. Each group will have 4 to 6 volunteers on each side. So about 8 to 12 per group. Some will open boxes, some volunteers will gather bundles together, and the rest will put them in their trunks. Our guests will first stop at the money takers and helpers to donate for their bundle. And the helper will put a sticky note on their windshield as to how many bundles go in that car. Another job is the car greeter. They will get the guests' cars ready for us to put the food in and answer any questions that the guests may have while waiting. A timeline for the day is at 1:45 the semi arrives and the counters count. 3 o'clock, the rest of the volunteers show up and sign in at the volunteer table. At 3:15 or 3:10, there will be a meeting to organize who goes where and what's going to happen that day. At 4 o'clock, the distribution starts, and we always try to start a little early and go until 6 or unless we run out of food. If you would like a bundle, please donate your $20 at the volunteer table when you check in. You can go through the line at the beginning before we start, but make sure you bring a cooler because August is warm. Or you can go through the line towards the end of the distribution, maybe when we go down to one line, and you could be the ones that leave and then you could go through the line yourself. If we don't distribute all of the food, we have 5 locations where it will get delivered to, or people from those organizations come and get it. So please don't help yourself to any leftover food. If you have any questions about this, you can contact Kathy Wedig or myself, Kristen Salzman, or you can ask on our Ruby's Pantry New Richmond Volunteer Info page on Facebook. Thanks, and I hope to see you at Ruby's Pantry Distribution sometime.